Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to share with you what I did for my kids for Valentine's Day. Yes, I'm that mom who makes little gifts and goodie bags for every little occasion. Every year, I have 3 Valentines: my son, daughter, and of course, my husband. For my kids, I decided to surprise them with a strawberry milkshake and a few items I bought at Target and Amazon. For the milkshake, I blended vanilla ice cream, strawberries, milk, and a little sugar. Then I topped it off with a swirl of whipped cream and sprinkled some red sugar crystals. For exact measurements and recipe details, please refer to the description box. I found these adorable pair of avocados at Target. They were in the Valentine's Day section in the back area. This one comes with a little box of gummies, but look at these avocados. They're so cute. It reminded me of my kids, so I said I had to get it for them. On top of that, I have these cards that I also bought at Target a while back that I thought I'd share because there's very cute Valentine's Day puns like "we make a great pair," "you make me so happy," "love you a whole bunch," "words cannot express how much I love you," "we were meant to be together," "love you from my head to my toes," or tomatoes, and "to my cute tea." I like this one. I'm gonna use this for my husband for this Valentine's Day. So on top of these smiling avocados, I also got my kids these 3-minute gratitude journals. I think it's a great reminder for them, something that they can reflect on every day for just 3 minutes to just remind them how thankful we should be for what we have. You know, despite all the craziness that is going around us, it is always good to stay grounded. So on top of the gratitude journal, I also wanted to share with you guys an idea that you can do with your family to recognize the good and positive out of 2021. And that would be a memory jar. Yes, I'm that mom too. I'm willing to do anything to enhance positivity and happiness wherever I can, especially when it involves my kids, even if it's collecting memories in a jar. This is something I wish I started years ago. Basically, I designed this jar to collect any memorable moments throughout the year. Anyone can drop a memory in there, but once it's dropped in, it doesn't come out until the end of the year. The goal is to have a full jar of memories to read on the first day of the following year. If you ask me, I think everyone would have benefited from having a memory jar during 2020. The whole point is to focus and recognize the good in every situation, even if it's a year spent during a pandemic. My family started our jar at the beginning of the year, and we already accumulated at least 10 good memories. I keep the jar in a commonly visited area as a happy reminder and for easy access. For the sake of this video, I'm going to share the first memory I dropped. I made this video about a month ago, so you'll see that my first memory was dated back on January 9th. My kids, husband, and I planned to attempt an all-nighter and play Monopoly. We did play Monopoly. We actually had a good 5-hour game with a lot of popcorn and hot cocoa. But did we pull out the all-nighter? No. My eyelids could barely stay open once 4 a.m. hit. So that half of the deal was a fail, but nevertheless, we had a lot of fun and it was something worth adding to our memory jar. I can't wait to read and reflect on all the greatness that came out of 2021. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.